Alright guys, welcome back to DIY Customs. Today we are going to upgrade the old rusty MK5 head unit to this nice Android Auto one.
So all you're gonna need is simple tools. Screwdriver set. You just need, I think it's like the T20, this one here. You can get this from Halfords, I think it's like £7, I'm not sure. And then you need this. You don't need all of that, you just need one of these. That's it. The kit should come with a little plastic trim thing. I haven't got it, I lost it. So yeah, let's put it in the car and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so here's the old screen. You can see that it's kind of messed up. All the buttons are faded away and this one's going to be the new one. That's how it comes in. It's quite simple to install, it's not too hard, and we're going to show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is, most people got this cover on. You might have it, you might not, but yeah, if you get this cover, take it off and then you're going to need 2 screws here. I'm missing one, so I guess someone's been in here before. But yeah, we're going to take this off. Okay, it's loose. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna try open this cover up. So just pop it up. I'm missing one screw, but that's right, it came off easily. And then just slowly just pry open like that. There you go. That's how it sits. Slides in the bottom here. And then you got these two. You can literally just slide it out like that. Yeah, on to the next bit. And then what you want to do is you want to get the clips of these. Well, in order to do that, you just pry it out. There you go, it should just come out like that.
This is a professional, yeah?
So you just got these clips here that's kind of stuck in here. Once you poke it in there, get it out. What are you laughing for? That comes out, you don't need to disconnect it. You can just leave it somewhere here. Now you've got 2 screws that we need to remove. Let's do that now.
It's moving up to me.
And then now you've got these to open. You can use your hand or you can just like that. This comes off. And then just slowly just take it apart. Like that, it will just come off nicely. And then there you go. And now we've got 4 screws we need to take off. It's quite 1, 2, 3, 4. And then yeah, it should come out after that. Let's go. And then bam. Now let's take it out. Okay, here's the back. Yeah, let's take it apart now. So I think you should just clips on. You should just be able to like lift this up, not just get like a flathead or some sort of screwdriver and then give it some support. Like that. And it should just. These ones, there's a button on here. Just press the button. That's it, that's open. Next one. There you go. That's the old one out. In with the new one. Oh yeah, what's this? I don't know. This ain't part of it. I don't know what this is. Someone put this on there. But yeah, we're not gonna use this. Probably just, I don't know what this is, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the new one in now. I've just put these in, antenna in, and then yeah, just the wires, kind of basic. Got the module in, and then you get 2 of these. We only need 1 of them. That fits our car. Oh look, Wi-Fi, CarPlay. Slide it in like that, and it should just fit in nicely without even forcing it to. And then push it in, and then just clip it down. Now we got 2 of these. One of these is for the radio, so you can just test it by putting it in here. If you want your radio to work, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna put, I think it's this one here, the yellow one.
Yeah.
Bang. The radio wire. That's if you're gonna use the radio, but yeah. And then that's it, there's not really anything else left. Alright guys, after we do all that, we're gonna put it back in. Same way it came out, we just put it back in. Luckily these screws are very thin, so you can just go in quite nicely. And then we're just gonna put all 4 screws back in.
Your glove has a hole in it.
No one saw that, no one saw that. After you put all your 4 screws in, you can put the screen back on. Just clips on really. And then just give it a push. And then put your 2 screws in here. After you put all your 2 screws in, it should be all, you know, aligned and flush. We can put these back on. Slide that in here. And then just pop these in the slot. And then bang. There you go. That's that done. You're gonna put your tray back on. This might be difficult to put back on. Just slide it in like that. And then just push it in. Don't forget your screw. That goes in. Like it, and then bam. Guys, here's the key. We're gonna put it back in. Put the ignition on. Yeah, it should turn on now. There we go. And yeah, that's it. There's your Android screen.
Radio, BT, USB.
This is the cheap one, by the way. I think it was £40. So if you can get, I mean, I think there's one that goes up to £70. I had last time. That was alright. But I mean, it does a job, innit?
It's got 2 USB at the front. It's got LEDs.
Yeah. It's also got Apple CarPlay. Let's try that out now. Alright guys, here you go. The screen's all done. As you can see, it's working. Like, it's not lagging or slow or anything like that. You know, it's actually moving. Yeah, that's all I use it for anyway, which is race. And you can play music as well if you just go on your YouTube.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.